Speaking Afrikaans. In this video, we are going to practice introducing yourself. The aim for this video is to help you to practice speaking Afrikaans, but also for learners when they have to do transactional writing. Let's start. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to greet the person. However, I do have a whole video just on greetings. It'll be linked here in the corner. So I'm not going to go too in-depth into greetings. I'm just going to quickly go over the greetings. Let's start. How can you greet? By saying hello, hello, or goeiedag, goeiedag, or goeiemôre, goeiemôre, or goeiemiddag, goeiemiddag. Or if it's the evening, you say goeienaand, goeienaand. Now, after you've greeted the person, now you are going to introduce yourself. And you can say, Ek is Zoe. I am, and then you enter your name. Ek is, and you enter your name. Let's try it together, and you say your name. Ek is, or you can say, My naam is Zoe. My name is, and then you say your name. My naam is Pieter. Let's try it together, and then you say your name. My naam is. Now, after you've said that, now you're going to tell them that it's nice to meet them. And how do we do that? By saying, aangename kennis. Aangename kennis. Let's make it easier for you to read. Aangename kennis. Let's try it together. Aangename kennis. Aangename kennis. Now, let's put it all together. You're going to greet, introduce, and say that it's nice to meet them. Hallo, ek is Zoe. Aangename kennis. Let's try it together. Now you say your name. Hallo, ek is aangename kennis. Or another way of saying it is, Goeiedag, my naam is Zoe. Aangename kennis. Now, let's say it together, and you're going to say your name. Goeiedag, my naam is aangename kennis. And now you've chatted to that person, and now one of you are leaving and you're saying goodbye. And then you're going to tell them that it was nice to meet them. Jy gaan sê, dit was lekker om jou te ontmoet. Dit was lekker om jou te ontmoet. Let's say it together one last time. Dit was lekker om jou te ontmoet. Okay, julle, I hope that this helped you. Totsiens!